JST?
Extension, JST.
Alright.
So of course you had to buy 5, and it's like, you know, $4 and it's nice and
He used to. I know what you're talking about, yeah.
I think so. Yeah, he talks to the guy Peter all the time.
Yeah.
You know, Ray.
I don't know him, but I know of
Are
him.
you guys all flying at the same time? Or
We're gonna try to. So, Brandon, go ahead.
Yeah, because I got that squirrely rudder on.
Good. Yeah, see, it's good now. Ready, Frankie?
Tango cleared.
That's good. That's more realistic.
Shall we?
Go. Damn it, my stupid ass gear. The nose gear didn't. I got to do something about that gear.
The mains. Oh, did you bring them down?
I brought them back down, but the nose gear didn't
Gear up.
come up.
Yeah. How many plates are in
Still not all the way up. 12.
12 in each. You should just give me an A-10 L fix. They're friggin' stuff. Is the best part. This plate pulling up. It just goes. Like you point it.
Jesus, Brandon.
These are the FMS ones, right? Yeah.
Gear down. Gear up.
No, I'm good. I'm coming. Gear's up now.
Saw that sunset. You need that pizza. You guys want the panda?
No.
I should have made that pan out of plexiglastic spoons, so you can kind of still look through it.
Whip it, baby.
You got a gyro?
Oh man, that sun is brutal. Shit.
On the actual receiver or on your dial? On my dial.
I mean, seriously brutal.
Yeah,
I was about to fly right into it.
Yeah, that's when you see the oscillation. And I turned it down.
Woohoo! We're back, Frankie. Going up. That battery okay? Gotta listen to that battery again on the next pass.
Woo, baby! I love this plane.
Yeah, they're good.
Where you at?
Behind you. Woo! That thing flies really good.
You like it more than the that sport jet, the old one? I would be. Just because it looks cool. Yeah. Well, it's easier. The Avanti's easier to see.
Look out for Brandon.
Whoa. I'm done.
You crazy guy.
You can't see it. It's a pizza pan. Going up.
It's the thing they put. I don't want it up. Don't put it up.
I won't. And then it's like a sun. This thing,
Oh.
they set it up.
No, I hate that
You stand in
thing.
the shade.
It drives me fucking crazy. I hate that thing.
Oh, I'll probably go around. You guys,
Look at that. Nice.
3 minutes of fun.
I get 4 with this one. But if I don't fly like a nut.
Stagger your landings. I hate it when everybody's got to come down and land at the same time. Going up?
I'm coming in.
5,
Oh shit, I didn't know you were there.
1, 9, 5.
I'm coming in.
Flag is 6,000.
Oh, no wonder, you freaking cheater. Jesus, you got more punch than I do too, and I'm wondering why.
Oh, you
Landing flat.
Alright guys, coming in.
escorting. Let me escort you down. Yeah, those are like the free. They're not those are the panties. Oh, God, yeah. What'd you put in yours, Bob?
Flat.
Ah, the A-10 brothers are back.
Oh, yeah, baby. Dude, this thing, no gyro.
That HRV, I gotta get one of those packs, dude.
Nothing in this.
This doesn't need it.
It just.
It's rock solid.
Oh, man! Dude, I never had so much fun doing a wide like I'm having
Well,
right now.
now I need to do, we need to do another flight. The sun's moved since the last time I was here. Whoa, hello, right into the damn sun.
And I pulled away as fast as I was like, oh
Oh, not the sun.
shit! Not the sun.
Yeah, last time I flew, the sun was right down the middle of the runway. It's moved off to the side.
Shit, 122.
Oh. Make that quick, you're hot. Jesus, 122, Frank, you're killing your pack. Keep that nose down, just in case. Yeah, come in. What kind of doo-doo landing was that?
Yeah, it was a gust of wind last minute.
You know, I want to buy a new nose gear for this thing, but then I looked at how much they cost.
Not cheap.
Jesus, it's like 70 bucks.
Yep. Did I buy one? I think I have. I'm not sure. Maybe it's like. I know I have. I think like I got something. I got my tax return, and I was like, just gotta spend some of that to get spare parts. And I got the gear. I think for this.
It's expensive,
The
dude.
tiny.
You spent on the gear? Holy crap.
Yeah.
Hey, A-10s are back.
Gosh, that was crazy fun.
Flying like a nut.